Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope your day is going wonderfully. Today, we will learn about the pigeon breast pump. It has three main parts: the bottle, the handle, and the rim. First, fit the rim correctly on your nipple to create a good seal. If the rim is not fitting properly, adjust it after a while. Now, gently press and release the handle. As soon as you press the handle, you will see the milk start collecting in the bottle. This pump is specifically designed to make the pumping experience comfortable and quick. Before pumping, a light massage and warm cloth can improve milk flow. When the bottle fills up, stop pumping and secure the cap to store the milk. Be sure to write the date on the bottle so you know when the milk was expressed. Use fresh milk quickly or store it in the freezer. If you found this information helpful, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you!